Hey everybody, Hyacinth here from Earth Medicine Healing, and welcome to another episode of Medicine Mondays. And as promised, here I am with a recipe following up to my post on 7 reasons to love cacao. We're going to make a delicious recipe that is actually from my ebook here, my Healing Tonics and Superfood Lattes that I created last year. So for those of you who already have a copy of the ebook, I'm going to show you how you can just change 1 or 2 ingredients and have a completely different drink. So we have here Brazil nuts, which are rich in selenium, really good brain food. Got a little bit of Madagascan vanilla extract for flavor. We of course have the Ceremonial Grade Cacao, amazing brain and mood food. We've got cacao nibs, and we have dates as a sweetener. We've got cinnamon, which is also great for lowering your blood sugar. And another brain food here, which is coconut oil. So first we're going to make the Brazil nut milk, which is really easy. So I have 2 cups of water and half a cup of Brazil nuts. So you just pour those in, and you want to blend it up for about 30 to 60 seconds. You can let it blend for a little bit longer, but you can see here we have our milk freshly made in seconds. So this is a what's called a nut milk bag. You can get this off Amazon.com. Just type in nut milk bag and different varieties will come up. So this is going to separate all of the fiber from the actual Brazil nuts. So the Brazil nuts I soaked overnight. You want to make sure that you soak those. Any nuts with kind of like a brown skin, you want to make sure that you soak those to release the enzyme inhibitors, which make them really difficult to digest and can cause bloating. So you just soak them overnight in water and then rinse them off, throw away the water, and then they're ready to go. So then you will gently squeeze the nut milk bag for the separation. And again, you can make a batch of this and it lasts for about 4 days in the fridge. I make nut milk about once or twice a week, so it really isn't time consuming. And you have a variety of different nut milks, different vitamins and minerals that you can get into your body. Everything is fresh. Because a lot of nut milks, they do have a lot of added sugars and carrageenan and other added fillers that you really don't want to have in your body. And that makes them shelf stable so that they can keep them on the shelf. But you can just make your own and keep it in the fridge. So here we have our delicious selenium-rich Brazil nut milk. So you pour that into your blender container. And then just follow up with the rest of the ingredients. So we have our Ceremonial Grade Cacao powder, which is very different to regular cacao powder. There's a very big difference, mainly in terms of the heat and the temperature that is added and the processing that it takes to get to be from the cacao bean into ceremonial grade and the cacao bean into what we know as chocolate. So ceremonial grade is a lot better for you. So you want to make sure you seek out a really good company that sells it. I sell it on my website, earthmedicinehealing.com. That way you know that you're getting a really high quality, high vibrational food that will actually do what all of the scientific evidence says that chocolate can actually do. So make sure you do that. I just added the dates and a pinch of Himalayan sea salt that will add some extra minerals. Got the cinnamon, and then we want to get the brain food in there, which is the coconut oil. So this is kind of like a multivitamin here. We've got vitamins, we've got minerals, we've got superfoods, we've got brain food, all in a delicious drink. So then you just blend it up. I would add some ice to chill if the milk is cold. I would add ice and let it run for maybe about 10 seconds longer so that everything is really blended well. And then you pour and you serve. And there you have a quick and easy way to get beautiful ceremonial grade cacao into your body. Brain food, moon food, mood food, spirit food. Cheers. Have a beautiful day, everybody. And I'll see you next week on Medicine Mondays at Earth Medicine Healing. Ciao. Oh, amazing.